What's up guys, welcome back with another video. Today we're gonna have a look at the Apple's AirPods Pros. Now I'm really excited to check these out. I did pick these up for around $200. It was 20% off on Amazon or at Best Buy. I did pick up mine at Best Buy, so I'm really excited to check these out. And these are the authentic AirPods Pros from Apple. I'm really excited to check these out and see how good they are and see how good the ANC and transparency modes are going to be. Now knowing Apple, you know that their packaging is really high quality, really nice box, really nice plastic packaging. Right now we have the pull tab that allows you to unwrap their products, and this is really essential without using a knife or a scissor. I'll drop all the links down in the description where you guys can actually get one for yourself. So let's unwrap it and see how good it's going to be. Really nice Apple packaging like always. Here they are. Let's open the box. The first thing you'll see whenever you open the AirPods Pro's packaging is the Design by Apple in California packaging. In here you are going to get the user manual and the 3 other booklets, which will be the safety and handling, regulatory, and the 1-year warranty cards. The next thing you'll see is the AirPods Pros wrapped in a plastic, really well wrapped in a plastic and well protected from getting scratched. And now we're going to have the air tips, which will be in this little container. This is going to be the small and large. You can replace these air tips for a few dollars from Apple. And finally in the box, of course, we will have the charging cable, which will be Lightning to USB-C. So here are the AirPods Pros wrapped in a plastic. Let's check these out. It's really well wrapped and well protected. Simply push it out. Now here are the AirPods Pros. We do have like a LED diffuser, and here is the charging case. The AirPods Pros will have the wireless charging capability, or you can simply use the lightning cable, which you have the lightning part on the bottom. And of course in the back of the case we will have the engravings that says Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. We also have the pairing button in the back. And finally we do have this metallic hinge, this matte finish. Really beautiful hinge right here. And if we do open up the lid, we're gonna have this white LED. The first time that you're gonna pair up your AirPods Pros to your phone, you're going to have this white LED. And of course here are the AirPods Pros. Really beautiful, great design, and of course the engravings on the top. Wow, these are beautiful. Now here are the AirPods Pros from Apple. Of course we're going to have the metal vents right here, and of course the metal mesh. On the bottom we're going to have the engravings and the charging mechanism, which will be the white plastic and the chrome rings, and of course the left and the right indicator on the pods themselves. The first time that you're going to connect to the device, all you have to do is simply open up Bluetooth and then open up the lid. You are going to receive a pop-up animation on iOS 13.2 and above, and once you receive the pop-up, all you're going to do is simply tap and connect without holding the pairing button at the back, and then it's going to automatically connect. You can tap on skip. And of course we got Real Hey Siri. I'm gonna skip that for now. And then as you can see, we do have the battery percentage of the AirPods Pros, but also of the case. Of course the AirPods Pros will have their own logo on the volume control center, and of course you can also share audio with a secondary device. Now the ones that I've received currently does not have spatial audio because it hasn't been updated for a while. But before I even do that, I'm gonna test out the sound quality and see how good it's going to be. So I'm gonna put them in my ears. So let's test out the sound quality. So yeah, the sound quality of these AirPods Pros sounds really good. Of course, they've got a lot of bass and they've got a lot of clearness in the audio. Now, of course, these are going to have the ear detection. If I do remove the right side, it's going to pause right away, put it back in my ears, and then it plays again. And if I remove the left side, it pauses right away and put it back in my ears. It continues playing. Guys, this is microphone test, the real AirPods Pros, and this is how it sounds without anything comes straight from the microphones itself. Right now I'm going to test out the transparency mode and see how good it's going to be. Let's turn it on. And wow, I can actually hear my voice really clear. Wow, I can actually also hear my surroundings. It is definitely really clear and very functional, especially that you can hear surroundings when you're walking outside working out. If I do turn it off, yeah, now there's a passive noise cancellation, and then let's try out the active noise cancellation. Let's turn it on. And yeah, it does work very well. It actually blocks out my own voice, and also it blocks out a really great percentage of my surrounding noise. So that is really good. The AirPods Pros from Apple, and of course you'll be able to see the battery percentage on this widget. Now, thanks to the anti-loss function, if you do lose your AirPods Pros, you'll be able to find them in the Find My iPhone app. So let's open it up. So here are the AirPods Pros. As you can see, we can locate them on the map. You can even play a sound, so let's tap on it. It's gonna connect to the AirPods Pros and play a sound. As you can see, here is the sound that you'll hear from your AirPods Pros. Now, if you did just purchase the AirPods Pros and you see that there's no spatial audio, to get it, all you have to do is simply update the software, simply plug in and charge the charging case while being connected to your phone, and then it's going to automatically connect and you'll be able to get spatial audio. So right now I'm going to test out the AirTip Fit Test and see if the medium size of the ear tips are the perfect size for me. So I'm going to tap on the AirTip Fit Test, continue, and I'm going to start playing audio. Now it's going to verify if the ear tips are compatible with my ears. So as you can see, we do have a good seal, so the medium ear tips are the perfect size for me. Now when it comes to the spatial audio, you do not necessarily have to use it, but you can actually see how it works. You can test it out. We do have the stereo audio, and then we also have the spatial audio function. If you turn your head, you're going to see that the audio is going to change. If you do turn your head, you're going to see that the audio will go through the left earbuds to the right side, and it's going back and forth. So this is a pretty good function if you're watching movies on Apple TV or any other supported apps. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video of the unboxing of the AirPods Pros in 2020. I do think that these are a pretty good device, especially for listening for music, for working out. You do have interchangeable ear tips in case that it doesn't fit you well. I think it was a pretty good deal for $200. I got it for 20% off on Best Buy. If you want, you can go check it out at Best Buy or on Amazon. I'll drop all the links down below in the description. But yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you did, make sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I've got much more videos coming soon to your way. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys very, very soon. Peace out. Let it go.